Keeping your grind control clean will ensure your machine produces quality coffee every time. Here's a quick overview on how to clean the outer housing, carafe, coffee basket and gold tone filter, the grinding burrs and grinds chute, and the grinds catcher and drip tray. As a safety note, be sure to turn the coffee machine off and remove the plug from the power outlet before cleaning. When it comes to cleaning the outer housing and the LCD screen, you can do this with a soft, clean, damp cloth. Apply the cleaner to the cloth and not the LCD surface. Then polish with a soft, dry cloth. Avoid dry paper towels or abrasive cloths and cleaners as they may scratch the surface. To keep your carafe in shape, avoid leaving brewed coffee standing overnight, as it can stain the carafe. For a light clean, simply rinse the carafe and lid under warm running water. For a deeper clean, we recommend regularly washing the carafe in warm, soapy water using a soft bristled brush. When cleaning the coffee basket and gold tone filter, be mindful that they may still be very hot after brewing. Ideally, allow them to cool before removing. Discard any ground coffee and filter paper. Rinse the coffee basket and mesh basket filter under running water and inspect the fine holes of the gold tone filter to ensure they're clear. For a deeper clean, use warm soapy water and a soft bristled brush. To clean the bean hopper, you'll need to remove the hopper's lid and turn the locking knob counterclockwise in the direction of the unlock arrow. The hopper and lid can be wiped down with a soft, damp cloth, then dried thoroughly before putting back into place. Then it's time to clean the grinding burrs and coffee grinds chute. Depending on how often your machine's brewing, you may choose to do this every 2 to 3 weeks. Simply unlock and remove the bean hopper. Then open the swing-out door. The coffee grind chute will rotate to the open position. You may hear an operating sound, which is completely normal in this process. Next, unplug the plug from the power outlet and then remove any beans that remain in the grinding chamber and around the upper burr. To remove the upper burr, turn the handle clockwise. Use the provided cleaning brush to remove any built-up coffee grinds around the grinding burrs and coffee grind chute. As you do this, ensure the grind catcher is in place to catch any loose grinds. Once you're done, replace the upper burr and bean hopper before locking it into position. Replace the coffee basket onto the swing-out door. Once we close the door, the coffee grind chute will rotate back to the closed position and you may hear the operating sound again. But before we do that, let's clean the grinds catcher and drip tray. Remove the grinds catcher located under the coffee grind chute and a 2-part drip tray at the base of the machine. Wash them in warm soapy water with a soft cloth or sponge. Rinse and dry them thoroughly before returning back to their position. That's it! Your grind control coffee maker is all set to brew that perfect cup.